Dati. Dati. Host ka dati. Buti. Ba't tumigil ka? Tawag dito, naging spender ka na lang, gano'n. Oh, buti ganun, ganun na lang.
Sa mga katulad kong pagod ka na bang?
I woke up Chris Breezy.
Oh my God, I'm the man.
I'm so fly and I can
Uy, thank you.
tattoos on my
Ano ba
neck.
to?
I just FaceTime Kanye. I told him I'm his biggest fan, yeah. Yeah, got all these hoes in my DM.
Ang daming ano dito, no,
Holy shit,
sa
I got a
Pico.
kid. Oh, I can sing so well. Wonder if I can say the N-word. Wait, can I really say the N-word? What up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Big ups, my nigga. I woke up Chris.
Check nyo guys. Hindi ka doon nagsusuot ng medyas sa pinapura mo.
Kimia tu kuch chiri pa ke rakh la palle vich mukhda
Nag-TikTok siya. Supporter lang. Oo, supporter lang. Ano ba? Kwetuhan niyo naman ako, ganun. Nag-90 na. Ang bilis din pala. Hi, Albert. Hirap mag-spender. Mahirap ba? Mahirap din, no? So, syempre. Thank you, Ash.
You can...
Masos ako ng 300 para sa medyo sa SM. Tapos
Ipapaabot
ito
mo
lang
ata,
pala yung
Ash,
mas
ng
maganda.
ano,
Kainis, super legit
two-star
yan. Maganda
to.
talaga. Oh. Si Madjanski na nagsabi
But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Tigas ng
Only
buhok.
know you've been high when you feel
Actually, matutulog na talaga ako.
low when you're missing home.
Kaso, parang nakaradar ako, Ash, na. Eme.
Staring at the ceiling in the dark. Same old
Tigas
empty
ng buhok ko,
feeling
gabi.
in your heart. 'Cause love comes slow and it goes so.
Hi,
At huwag kang
Bolzing.
gagamit ng Naya Cinemite. Boss Ray.
Ay, boss Ray, thank you.
Okay, so I'll give people
Boss Ray, ba't di ka mo magpa-level 21 sa akin?
level 21, level ano.
Boss Ray, may pumasal check siya. Meron din ako muscle.
Got Molly mixed with promethazine, cause every time I
Wake up in the
morning I got murder on my mind.
TikTok nga to. Ba't ganun?
Got Molly mixed with promethazine, cause every time I wake up in the morning I got murder on my mind. AK-47's like a
Kimmy.
Got Molly mixed with promethazine, cause every time I wake up in the morning I got murder on my mind. AK-47's like 11 blocks a night.
Request ko yung ano, guys, kanta.
Trying
Yung mga ano, no, kay, tawag dito, kay Chris Brown. Mga pang-party, ganun. Diba? Maganda yung mga... Sleep na po ako. Sleep ka na. So sad. Oh, sige. Good night. Good night, Ash. Thank you so much. Wala na akong viewers. Guys, 90 bins na lang, matutulog na ako.
Tell me if you with it, cause I'm with it, babe. I haven't heard from you and I'm in it, babe. Just tell me what to do and I get it, babe. Gucci and Prada. Trip, crib in the middle of the night. I know that you miss me cause I put it down right now, babe.
Huwag masad, dito naman ako matutulog.
Life, oh, babe.
Ay talaga, dito.
Everything you do is
Pwede pala yun.
ain't nobody got to go crazy.
Hi crew girl, welcome back.
Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little babe. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I'm a
Papantayin mo?
freak, little babe.
Papantayin mo ako.
I've been overseas for
Hindi pa naman, nagpapa 1 hour, nagpapa-oras ako. Lahating oras pa.
Love is real. Love is skills. I need some love and skills. Love like that.
Uy, may 10 viewers ako.
Eyes come lazy, but he is real.
Say hi naman sa mga viewers ko dyan. Ikaw na din matulog.
Put a stone by your eye. I can say you never switch your sides.
Pwede ba yun?
Tell me lies. Not rushing task, yeah. Deep crib in the middle of the night.
Pwede ba yun? Dito matutulog.
Put it down right there, babe. I can put you on a flight. You know that.
Oh, yung mga nagpapa-oras ganun.
Oh, baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby. Yeah.
Pasupalubat ako eh.
Hoes on my phone when they find out that I'm rich, then they switch. When they see I'm choosing on my bitch. Top down, got her doing donuts on the dick, yeah. Pose for the flick.
Wow.
Baby, watch you do it on the spot.
Heart
She don't need no
pillow.
hands or no pain.
Thank you, Ash.
Pop a rubber band, get the dash, make it pass.
Ikaw lang talaga naging ano dito.
Just to dig it down, down. Let me put it down.
Actually,
Put it down,
naging ano na ba kita, Ash? Viewer, nakikita mo ba ako dati? Nag-live dito.
As I put it down.
Kakabalik ko lang eh. Mga 3 to 4 months ako nawala. 4 months.
Know that a nigga like me can change your life, oh babe. Everything you do is amazing.
Ah, hindi po.
Ain't nobody
Ngayon lang, no?
crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby. Everything you do is amazing. Ain't nobody got to go crazy. I got what you need. Everybody think you shy, but I know you a freak, little baby.
Ngayon lang pala. Akala ko naman, dati pa. Naging viewers na kita dati. Ang sarap ng wine niyan, guys. Sa kanta na yan, oh. Wine, wine. Leads mo admin. Oo. Gawin kitang admin na, Ash. Wala nang, huwag ka nang umangal kasi ginawa na kita. Hindi ko na hinintay yung answer mo. Oo, wala ka na talagang magagawa. Ginawa ko na. Diba guys, ang sarap, no? May pang-kontra tayo sa bait. Taga Pampanga ako. Ikaw, taga saan ka? I'm kulit. Never see, ha? Dito lang yung never see, di ba? Gagi, oh. Nagbabakbak yung mukha ko, guys. Nagre-rejuve kasi ako, nagpapaganda ko, eh. Buti nasa Manila ka pala, work. Work? Anong work mo dyan? Safety po ng heroes. Ano yun? Sorry, hindi ko alam. Sobra yung pumamalat ko dahil. Dahil nga yung viewers natin. 10 viewers. DIY. Mr. DIY. Sorry, di ko alam. Hi, Primo. Mura yung mga gamit dyan, di ba? Sa DIY. Gustong, ako pag gusto lang pupunta sa mga ganyan. Kasi ayun nga, yung mura ng mga gamit. Ang kapit-shoot. Ano yun? DIY SF side Pasamban. Alam kong DIY kasi dito sa dito sa
Whether you're relaxing at home or out and about,
Jumbo
make your
General.
music move with you. With Premium,
Enter.
you can download your music at higher quality, listen to songs ad-free, and play them in any order. Tap the banner to learn more.
The sun, the waves. Perfect na to. Sana yung speakers. Papili naman yung LU mix natin, oh. Let's see. LU mix. Huh? Walang
Oo,
signal?
mas
Ops
malapit
lang
ako
yan.
doon.
With Spotify Premium, you can take your bangers on the road with unlimited downloads. Yan ang sound trip na walang
Hi,
limit
Gar.
with Spotify Premium. Upgrade
Kamusta,
now.
Gar? Gar, kamusta, Gar?
Find your soundtrack on Spotify.
Sige, Ash. Night admin. Sana makatulog ka ng mahimbing. Hindi ka sana pamumutin. Hindi ka sana dadalawin ni Simpeto. Good night. Chowie. Kaano pala kita, no? Nice to meet you. Oh, nice meeting you. Talagang nice. Oo, yarn. Ang cute po. Gusto mo.
Tell me how I'm supposed to breathe with no air.
Katapos ko dito, mag-live pa ako sa TikTok. Grind yarn.
Died before I wake. It's 'cause you took my breath away. Losing you is like living in a world with no air. Oh, I'm here alone,
wanna leave. My heart removed, it's incomplete. Cause there was a way that I could make you understand.
But how do you expect me to live alone with just me? 'Cause my world revolves around you. It's so hard for me to breathe. Tell me how's supposed
Wait
to
lang
be
no, guys. Hi, Dark Beam Home. Tell me how's for some living on air. Can you live, living on air? You're here, living right there. Lee.
Got Molly mixed with
Thank you for the
promethazine, 'cause every
flowers.
time
Happy
I wake up
Valentine's.
in the morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47s, Mac 11, Glocks and 9s, and all these pussy niggas hating,
Yan
trying to
sa akin.
make me
Okay,
on
so,
But
ano
I
kasi yung TikTok?
couldn't do it, I got murder.
Kalimutan ko na din yung TikTok ko. But hey, to live alone just me. Ito. Hi,
Tinatanong ni Boss Raf kung mabigat ba? Yes, boss, medyo mabigat siya. Lalong-lalo na itong pinakamalaki nating kutsilyo. Ito yung pinakamalaking kutsilyo na kasama sa set na napakagandang gamitin pang tadtad po sa mga buto-butong karne. Napakaganda ring hawakan yung mismong handle niya. At itong pinakamalit naman, boss, ito yung ginagawa.
Tingnan nyo to. Tingnan nyo to. Kahit anong linis ko na ito.
si Elemental Pink talaga naman. Who is Howie Target?
Tingnan nyo to. Kahit anong linis ko na ito. Yan o, yung mga tutong-tutong na yan.
Ladies,
Yes, Dad.
I want to make a move.
For sure.
I want to perform their favorite song, but you know they love the suit.
What song?
Yeah, that song.
Oh no.
It's a cultural divide. I'ma get it on the floor.
You really about to do it?
40 acres in the music. This is bigger than the music.
You really about to do it?
Yeah, they tried to rig the game, but you can't fake influence.
You get on it like that.
Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm right through the back like. Must have on a beat, oh, he a beat, oh, man, back coming,
Ayan.
to a breathe.
Hi, Carvin. Bago lang po dito. Welcome sa video. puso. Okay lang. Ayan na. Okay. Uy, Ash, gusto ka pa pala. Kaya matutulog ka na ito.
Yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, go ahead and turn it on up. BPT, LBC, yeah, we hook it back up. And when they bring this in the club, they think you got to get up. Bug homie, drug homie, yeah, they giving it up. Low
Thank
fight,
you,
yo fight,
Meow.
we giving it up.
Mas cute ka.
Ladies,
Yes, Dad.
I want to make a move.
For sure.
I want to perform their favorite song, but you know they love the suit.
What song?
Yeah, that song.
Oh no.
It's a cultural divide. I'ma get it on the floor.
You really about to do it?
40 acres in the mule. This is bigger than the music.
You really about to do it?
Yeah, they tried to rig the game, but you can't fake influence.
You get on it like that.
Hey, I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the back like What's that on a beat, though? Beat, yeah, beat, though.
Oo, nag-joke lang to.
Nabalit.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling.
Napakasarap, babe.
Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando. Ela desce, ela sobe, no baile é pressão. Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração. Vai quicando, vai jogando.
Hi, Plaza JR.
Ate ko yung hinahanap mo, andito.
Hi, Lucas.
Fine night in the beautiful sea. I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. Buksan mo, papasukin ako.
Ready pala.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo? Buksan
Buksan mo, papasukin mo siya.
Buksan mo, papasukin ako. Bulaklak para sa'yo. Ano bang gusto mong gawin ko para mahalin mo?
Hi, Bert. How are you? Si Ash, akala ko matutulog. Parang ewan ko. Hi, Alan Pineda. Kaya, actually,
Talaga akong nanibago dito. Super lakas kasi ng suction niya. May ganito na kasi kami dati.
Marunong kalaban ha. Pero mas marunong tayo.
Alam nyo ba na
ay, sorry. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo. Ay, di ko na. Sus, akala ko mag-end ka na eh.
Ang sabi niya, grabe linis.
So, ilang piraso po per pack? Ma'am Rin, sa isang pack po is 12 pieces po tayo per pack, 100.
Kung sa paganda. Thank you, Dol.
Sige, Ibela. Click one na.
Thank you, Dol.
Baga pa daw kayo ni Sir. Ingat, ingat. Dab-dab.
Kuya Will, hello po. Guys, guys. 3 gifts lang guys, 3 gifts.
Triple guys,
Triple lang guys.
Ay, boss, ay.
1, 2, 3
Boss,
guys.
ay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, lovely.
1, 2, 3.
Di ba kami masindan sa?
Ay, suspended pa ka?
Jamaica.
10 minutes man to?
Ay, oo, suspended yapon. 1 minute na lang.
Hi, Crazy.
Ay, Jade.
Pero
Thank you, LMNOP.
Mag-load ka lang dito ng 790 pesos at meron ka ng only wife.
Dream idol himself, Mr. Daniel Padilla. The supreme idol himself, Mr. Daniel Padilla. Madam, naka-backskuta.
Excuse me, where you from? Where you from?
Philippines.
Oh, kamusta ka?
I'm good.
Oh,
Okay.
kambal kayo? Kambal kayo?
No, hindi.
Anong ginagawa mo?
Huwag kayong bibili ng gantong meg.
So guys, panoorin niyo to.
Regine Velasquez.
So guys, panoorin niyo to.
Nakalagay pa man din no trespassing.
Bayad pa ako. Dito yung mamamatay ata.
Bakit na
Hi, Batasay. Party, party.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Bring the action.
Boss D, next time huwag kang iiyak. Naiiyak din ako, mawawala ako sa laro niya. Franco, Estes.
When the Estes pick, Cementa, Blacklist, Slata, to continue their story. Dito muna ulit. Muna natin kami ng mga sayaw.
Baloy!
Nasarap pa ang nila.
Hi, Ju.
Bati-bati. Ito na!
So, sagutin natin tong question na to. Actually, nasagot na rin naman yung tanong niya nung mga nag-reply doon sa comment niya. So, tama po yung mga na-reply nyo sa kanya. Yan po yung function ng testosterone. Pero bukod po dyan, importante din ang testosterone para balanse yung ating mood. So, hindi tayo laging moody or mabilis magalit. Lagi tayong kalmado and lagi tayong motivated na.
Tapusin na natin kung talagang totoong tao
Hi,
ka.
Aaron.
Tignan mo naman yan.
Uy, 16 viewers.
No popozão, no popozão.
Hi, Eric. Hi, GR. So, yung di pa umabot ng 2-star. Okay, pa 2-star kita. Uy, hi, Kape. Kapag 2-star mo nga, talaga. Sige na. Dali na. Mag-end na ako. 1 hour na ako, guys. Mag-end na ako ng 3 minutes. Baka naman, may hahabol yan.
So, kung madalas
Kape, baka naman, Kape. Copy. Galing. Nakakamiss mag-party. Hi, IP.
panibagong vacuum na naman.
Опушки дымятся, подружки скучают. Они считают, что достаточно тепла не получают.
Ash, ano na, Ash? Tutulog na ako.
Опушки дымятся,
Babay na,
подружки
guys.
скучают.
Umitim.
Они считают, что тепла не получают.
1 minute.
Опушки дымятся, подружки скучают. Они считают, что достаточно тепла не получают. Опушки
Ай,
дымятся, подружки скучают. Они считают, что тепла не получают. Опушки дымятся, подружки скучают. Они считают, что достаточно тепла не получают. Опушки дымятся,
Hi,
подружки
Ash. Hello,
скучают.
1 hour na ako.
Они считают, что тепла не получают. Опушки дымятся, подружки скучают.
Ash, thank you.
Считают, что достаточно
Guys, thank you
тепла
so
не
much.
получают.
Yes, still starting.
Опушки дымятся, подружки скучают. Они считают, что тепла не получают.
Nabudol ba kita?
Опушки
you,
дымятся,
Ash.
подружки скучают. Они считают, что достаточно тепла не получают.
You're just a playboy, ain't tryna playboy. Now you're thinking about you, not thinking about you. Loving you's my game boy.
Thank you, admin.
Playboy, I ain't thinking about you. You're just a playboy, ain't tryna playboy. Now you're thinking about you, not thinking about
Babay na.
you. Loving
1 hour
you's
na
my
ako.
game boy. I should throw it away, I ain't thinking about you.
Bye-bye. Ash, thank you.
You're
PM
just a
kita.
playboy,